तो पिलामाने आज ये भिडियो रे मास्टरी ऑफ द मिसिंग कैप रो किछि वस्तुनिष्ठ प्रश्नोत्तर गुडी को आलोचना करिबा। व्हाट डिड द ऑथर वांट द रीडर्स टू शेयर? लाफ्टर, सिंपैथी, द स्टोरी, काइंडनेस। उत्तर हेबो सिंपैथी। हु वाज द देन मिनिस्टर ऑफ फिशरीज एंड फाइन आर्ट्स? श्री महाराणा, झंडो, बाबू वीर किशोर, मनोज दास। उत्तर हेबो बाबू वीर किशोर। Sri Maharana had the only pukka house in an area of dash 10 villages, 20 villages. His constituency, Babu Veer Kishore's constituency, Uttar Heba, 20 villages. Why had Sri Maharana a considerable reputation? He was a kind man, he was a wealthy man, he was a conscientious and generous man, he was a wealthy man and a good host. Uttar Heba, he was a conscientious and generous man. What did Sri Maharana have? 2 ponds full of choice fish, a number of well-cared cows, a big pukka house, all of the above. Uttar Heba, all of the above. What was the new caste that emerged post-independence? Leaders, freedom fighters, patriots, industrialists. Uttar Heba, patriots. What ambition had Sri Maharana nurtured? Becoming a patriot, being called an exemplary host, becoming a member of the state legislature, becoming the fisheries minister. Uttarahaba, becoming a member of the state legislature. Where was the author's maternal house? In Sri Maharana's village, near Babu Bir Kishore's house, near Sri Maharana's house, in Babu Bir Kishore's village, Uttarahaba, near Sri Maharana's house. Who were not there in the early days of Swadeshi ministers, deputy or sub-deputy ministers, sub-ministers, members of state legislature, chief ministers, Uttarahaba, deputy or sub-deputy ministers. Where was Babu Bir Kishore from? The author's village, the author's district, Sri Maharana's village, the author's maternal village, Uttarahaba, the author's district. Who thought that Sri Maharana's debut in politics should have the blessings of Babu Veer Kishore? Sri Maharana's sponsors, Babu Veer Kishore's sponsors, the author and his friends, Sri Maharana's villagers, Uttarahaba, Sri Maharana's sponsors. What was a minister's daily life largely made of in those days? Arranging meetings, speech making at public receptions, attending feast and meeting people, performing administrative tasks. Uttar Heba, speech making at public receptions. Question number 13. Who was the chairman of the reception committee? Babu Veer Kishore, Sri Maharana, the author's maternal uncle. Uttar Heba, Sri Maharana. What did the children of the village lower primary school do for a fortnight? Practiced the welcome song, decorated Sri Maharana's house, prepared for the minister's arrival, learnt English words to impress the minister. Uttarahaba, practiced the welcome song. Who had composed the welcome song? Sri Maharana, Babu Bir Kishore, the head Pundit of the village school, the author, Uttarahaba, the head Pundit of the village school. How old was the head Pundit? 60, 67, 70, 72. Uttarahaba, 67. What questions were asked by the children? Does a minister sleep? What does a minister eat and drink? Does a minister ever have colic or colds? All of the above. Uttarahaba, all of the above. Question number 18. Why did Sri Maharana give up his habit of sleeping in the afternoon? To make the arrangements, to examine the details of the arrangements, to make the children practice the welcome song, all of the above. Uttarahaba, to examine the details of the arrangements. Where was the first welcome arch? On the outskirts of the village, at the front gate of Sri Maharana's house, near the entrance of the village, near the village school. Uttarahaba, on the outskirts of the village. Where was the minister welcomed and garlanded by Sri Maharana? On the outskirts of the village, at the front gate of Sri Maharana's house, near the entrance of the village, near the village school. Uttarahaba, on the outskirts of the village. Why was the minister requested to re-enter his jeep? The destination was a furlong away. The destination was a mile away. The destination was very far. The destination was a meter away. उत्तर ହେବ The destination was a furlong away. Why did Sri Maharana and his friends look ecstatic? The minister said he was happy. The minister said he will walk the remaining distance. The minister could walk. The minister looked contented. उत्तर ହେବ The minister said he will walk the remaining distance. What does the word elephantine mean? Huge, brave, noble, simple. उत्तर ହେବ Huge. How was the look on Sri Maharana's face when the minister rested his arm on his neck? That of a man in pain, that of a kind man, that of a contented man, that of a humble man. उत्तर ହେବ That of a contented man. Who was or were feeling extremely small and guilty? The children, Sri Maharana, the author, the villagers. उत्तर ହେବ The children. How were the minister and his people treated at Sri Maharana's house? With sumptuous feast, with coconut juice, with lassi, with flavored milk. उत्तर ହେବ With coconut juice. How many dishes were there in the luxurious lounge arranged for the minister? 12, 20, 25, 30. उत्तर ହେବ 20. Why were volunteers appointed? To ensure nothing disturbed the minister's sleep, to make sure no one sees the minister, to ensure the minister has a good time, to keep the minister safe. उत्तर ହେବ To ensure nothing disturbs the minister's sleep. Where were the minister's people when he was sleeping? On the rear side of the house, on the back side of the house, on the front side of the house, in Sri Maharana's cabin. उत्तर ହେବ On the front side of the house. Question number 30. What was the first shock for the young author? The minister was sleeping like ordinary men. The minister was snoring like ordinary men. The minister looked huge. The minister was bald. उत्तर ହେବ The minister was snoring like ordinary men. What was the most unexpected event that the author witnessed standing near the window? The minister having an egg bald head, the minister sleeping on a gigantic pillow, the minister's cap being taken by Jhandu, the minister snoring loud. उत्तर ହେବ The minister's cap being taken by Jhandu. Why was the author unable to shout? For his affection for Jhandu. He didn't want Jhandu to be punished. He didn't want to disturb the minister's sleep. All of the above. उत्तर ହେବ All of the above. The author was in a dilemma as to which should he value more dash. The minister's cap or his snoring, the minister's sleep or Jhandu's mischief, his affection for Jhandu or the minister's cap, all of the above. उत्तर ହେବ The minister's cap or his snoring. Who said that the loss of minister's cap was a deep-rooted conspiracy? The minister's PA, the public relations officer, the minister, Sri Maharana. उत्तर ହେବ The public relations officer. The public relations officer said that the loss of the minister's cap may have devastating effect on Dash, Sri Maharana, the village, the politics of the country, the nearby villages. उत्तर ହେବ The politics of the country. Sri Maharana was sweating so profusely that the author thought that he might dash in a few hours, collapse, fall ill, completely melt away, start to cry. उत्तर ହେବ Completely melt away. Question number 37. Why did the author reveal the truth to Mr. Maharana? He couldn't bear Sri Maharana's condition. He wanted Jhandu to be punished. He wanted the minister to be happy. He wanted to impress Sri Maharana. उत्तर ହେବ He couldn't bear Sri Maharana's condition. What did Sri Maharana ask the author? To catch Jhandu, to find the missing cap, to fetch him a glass of water, not to disclose the matter to anyone. उत्तर ହେବ Not to disclose the matter to anyone. What did Sri Maharana promise the author? To give him the minister's cap, not to punish Jhandu, to retrieve the cap, to reward him later. उत्तर ହେବ to reward him later. Which of the following words mean serious or sad and rather frightening? Incurable, sepulchral, dismay, panic. उत्तर ହେବ sepulchral. What did the author's friends say would happen if the thief were caught? The police would hang him, all the villagers will be thrown into jail, he will be made the minister, both A and B. Uttar hai both A and B. There were some children who thought that the minister's cap was dash, a sort holy, a sort of Aladdin's lamp, a sort of gem, a symbol of patriotism. Uttar hai a sort of Aladdin's lamp. Some children thought that he who would put on the minister's cap would possess dash, magical powers, supernatural powers, ministerial powers, Aladdin's power. Uttara hai ministerial powers. Who garlanded the minister on the stage? Sri Maharana, the author's uncle, Sri Maharana's niece. Uttara hai Sri Maharana's niece. Question number 45. How many people gathered around the special constructed stage? Less than 5,000, more than 6,000, 10,000, around 5,000. Uttara hai around 5,000. What did people saw for the first time which they had only heard of in ancient tales? A mighty minister without his cap, such a huge gathering, a grown-up girl garlanding a man in public, the minister smiling like an angel. Uttara hai a grown-up girl garlanding a man in public. How has the welcome song been tuned? In a contemporary style, like a folk song, in a prayer style, in the Kirtan style. Uttara hai in the Kirtan style. For how long did Sri Maharana give his welcome speech? Half an hour, about an hour, 2 hours, none of the above. Uttara hai about an hour. Why did Sri Maharana thank Babu Veerakishore's deceased parents? For giving the minister to the world, for teaching the minister well, for making the minister healthy, all of the above. Uttara hai for giving the minister to the world. What surprise did the author get during Sri Maharana's maiden speech? Sri Maharana was doing well. Sri Maharana sounded like a pakka politician. The minister's parents were praised. Sri Maharana told a lie. Uttara hai Sri Maharana told a lie. What was the lie that Sri Maharana uttered? The minister was noble. The minister had promised to support him. A noble man had taken the minister's cap. The minister had donated to the village welfare fund. Uttara hai a nobleman had taken the minister's cap. Question number 52. How much money did Sri Maharana offer to the minister in behalf of the nobleman? 100 rupees, 101 rupees, 200 rupees, 50 rupees. Uttara hai 101 rupees. Why did Sri Maharana give the coins to the minister? To use in the service of people, to buy himself a new cap, to donate to the party fund, to help the patriot. Uttara hai to use in the service of people. For how long did the minister speak? An hour and a half, 2 hours, 2.5 hours. What did the minister drink in between his speech? A glass of water, a glass of coconut juice, a glass of milk, a glass of curd. Uttara hai a glass of curd. Soon my shock gave way to double-edged feeling for Sri Maharana, an appreciation for his presence of mind and dash, disgust for his lie, a sadness for his monetary loss, happiness for his being able to cover the mischief of Jhandu, respect for his donation. Uttara hai a sadness for his monetary loss. Homage was paid to Dash during the dinner arranged by the reception committee. The minister, the thief, the author, Sri Maharana. Uttara hai the thief. Glances of Dash were frequently cast at the minister's head. Admiration, misery, awe and esteem, sorrow and esteem. Uttara hai awe and esteem. What could the author see in Sri Maharana's eyes? Peace, content, guilt, sorrow. Uttara hai guilt. What was the guilt that haunted Sri Maharana? Telling a lie in front of thousands of people, lying to the minister, lying to the author, spending money to cover up Jhandu's mischief. Uttar hai, telling a lie in front of thousands of people. What was the minister served with at the time of his departure? A glass of coconut juice, a glass of milk, a glass of sweetened curd, a glass of fruit juice. Uttar hai, a glass of sweetened curd. Sri Maharana's rear veranda was facing the dash, pond and the grove, village temple, village school, author's house, Uttarheba, pond and the grove. What did the author ardently wish? For Jhandu to go unnoticed by the minister, for the minister not to come to the veranda, for Sri Maharana not to carry the jug of water, for himself not to get caught, Uttarheba, for Jhandu to go unnoticed by the minister. Who had killed Jhandu's mother, Sri Maharana, Sri Maharana's servants, Babu V. Kishore, Jhandu's father, Uttarheba, Sri Maharana's servant, who nurtured and christened Jhandu, Sri Maharana, Sri Maharana's cook, the author's mother, Uttarheba, Sri Maharana. What was Jhandu like? Half domesticated and half wild? Wild, completely domesticated, mischievous, Uttarheba, half domesticated and half wild. Where did Jhandu often escape after he had grown up? Into the pond, into the main veranda, into the grove, into the forest. Uttarheba, into the group. Question number 68. Who was or were extremely fond of Jhandu? Sri Maharana, the villagers, the author, children. Uttarheba, children. Jhandu sat down between the dash and dash, minister Sri Maharana, author Sri Maharana, minister author, minister his PA, Uttarheba, minister Sri Maharana. Jhandu put the cap once on his own head and then taking it off, offered it to Dash with a very genial gesture. Sri Maharana, the author, the minister's PA, Uttarheba, the minister. What was Jhandu's friendly gesture? Offering the cap to the minister, sitting between the minister and Sri Maharana, playing with the minister and his people, playing with the village children, Uttarheba, offering the cap to the minister. Who was or were in tears? Sri Maharana and the minister and his PA, Sri Maharana and the author, all of them, Uttarheba, Sri Maharana and the minister. How were the rendered eye and drawn faces of Sri Maharana and the minister interpreted? As loss of faith, as the last meeting of the two, as marks of sorrow and separation, as marks of sorrow of separation, as a happy goodbye, Uttarheba, as marks of sorrow of separation. What did the author believe changed the course of the lives of Sri Maharana and the minister? The episode of the cap, Jhandu's behavior, the break of trust between the two, lying of Sri Maharana, Uttarheba, the episode of the cap. Who did Sri Maharana say was the nobleman? The author, he himself, the minister, Jhandu, Uttarheba, Jhandu.